Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, June 16th, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the pound dollar, we are on the 1 hour time frame, but we have to keep in mind our roadmap time frames. The monthly, the weekly, the daily, and even the 4 hour time frame, in my opinion, are all still in a very strong uptrend. What does that tell me? That tells me anything I see to the downside on the 1 hour time frame may just be a pullback to the uptrend, and it may just keep going up very, very easily. Now, based on this 1 hour time frame and the US dollar index, I do have my Fibonacci retracement in this move down. This move down right here possibly could be like a wave A or maybe even a wave one. This move up right here could possibly be a crutch into that move down like a wave B or a wave two. If it bounces from one of these Fibonacci levels, you could definitely justify trying to take it as a sort for a wave C or a wave three. But like I said at the beginning of the video, I would be very, very cautious. I personally am looking for longs only because the monthly, weekly, daily, and 4 hour time frame are in an uptrend. The trend is your friend, and I'm definitely not going to try to fight the trend. It sounds like a really good way to get beat up and lose all your money. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.